Hi, so in this tutorial I want to write a complex behavior and apply it on the robot. Let's get to it. Here we can see the different devices. We can see the Kabuki platform, we can see the leader laser scan, and we can also see the distance camera. If we will scroll down, we can see the actual behavior that the robot is about to apply. Let's have a closer look. Here we can see the Kabuki driver. It outputs an odometry. Here we can see the driver of the leader scan, and it outputs the laser scan. These black boxes are different algorithms that the robot applies. Each algorithm has an input source and an output. For instance, the G-mapping algorithm needs to input the laser scan and the odometry, and it outputs a map. The map output goes into this move to base algorithm of the robot. This algorithm outputs a command velocity. It tells the robot in which velocity and which direction to go. But if we have a closer look, we can see that the map output of the G-mapping algorithm is also inputted to the exploration algorithm. This algorithm outputs a goal, and this goal is another input to the move base algorithm. As you can see, we also have an output of the move base algorithm that updates the map. So these map updates are inputted back to the exploration algorithm. So we have this inner loop. And now, once we eventually have the command velocity and tell the robot where to go, we need to smooth this output. So here we have a smoothing algorithm, and the smooth output is inputted into the Kabuki driver input. And this tells the robot where to go. The next thing we're going to do is to save the changes and deploy this configuration, and then see the actual result in the physical robot.